Hi everyone, welcome back to our Beam Clue Revit tutorial. So in this session, we're going to create our new project for our electrical services. Okay, then we're going to add our first lighting into the project, and we're going to end our topic after finishing the electrical tutorial. Okay, so first of all, we're going to create our own electrical project file as usual. We will utilize the existing project file, then we delete whatever we have here. Okay, then we just save it as our electrical file here. Okay, so name as electrical. We're going to learn how to add lighting, switches, sockets, and distribution boards, some sort of like circuiting and basic things. Okay, so we're going to learn the basics of it. Okay, so after saving, just wait a couple of seconds, then we will have our electrical model now. Then we can link in our project file here. You can add in our Revit, search our HVAC, then we link in our HVAC project file. Then we have our icon file over here. Then of course we're going to VG, and then we tune it to halftone. Okay, everything to halftone. Okay, then this is our file. Then we go to ground floor. Ground floor, then we tune everything to halftone by going to VG, then turn it all to halftone, so easily we can see our electrical services here. So the first thing is to add our light fittings. Okay, so you can go to the system tab here, then you click on lighting fixture. Okay, lighting fixture. Okay, electrical, then you can click on lighting fixture. Okay, so Revit you ask you to load one. Okay, then you just click OK, then you can load in whatever default families available in Revit libraries. Okay, so this is what I've downloaded just now. It's not here. Then you can go to your Revit library. Okay, in your program data. Okay, then you can go into the lighting families to check whatever default family that Revit provided in the library files over here. Okay, so let's say I choose a downlight, a spot downlight, or this one, or recessed can downlight. Okay, then we open it, then we just place it somewhere over here. Okay, in the corridor here. Okay, none of the element visible, doesn't matter, so close it first, then go VG, and then try to enable everything in our view. So this is our downlight, so use the card section to double check it. Go to the view, so let's check it. This is our downlight. It's mounted on the floor, so you can pick the new work plane here, new surface here. Click new, click on here, host a new plane. Okay, just pick a plane, pick a line as a work plane. Just pick a plane, try here. Okay, ground floor, open it, place here, just double check. So the downlight is now mounted at ground floor ceiling. Okay, just try to see the lighting distribution. You can go to here to review hidden element. So this is the lighting distribution here. Okay, so most likely it will be blocked by the ceiling, but this doesn't matter. It's just a tutorial purpose. If you want to lower down your lighting, so to enable the photometry data to distribute under the ceiling, then you can do so. Yeah, okay, so this is the photometry data, basically showing the distribution pattern of the light beams. Okay, so we close that first. Then alternatively, if you want to download your own light fittings, you can do so. You can always do so here. So you can go to online search, such as your lighting supplier, like the Philips, TCP lighting. This is the catalogs here. Okay, this is the Philips lighting, the well-known lighting supplier. They already provided a Revit library for you to download. Once you click on it, then you can go to the library of the Philips lighting. Then you can search whatever lighting you want, then you try to download it. Let's say the green space lighting, you can try to download. Then you try to open it, then you have the green space here, okay? Then you copy it, then you put inside to your project. Yeah, I try to load it into my project first. First, you go to the insert, then you try to load in your family by clicking this. So this is where I keep my green space lighting folder. Then you can try to load a few. You can try to load all. Select all here one by one, and try to open it and let it load into your file. Okay, so maybe there will be some mistake here. That doesn't matter, just leave it like this. Okay, maybe you just click add in some like LED 11S, this one. Okay, open it. Okay, it's created by the previous version, so that's why it tends to have a lot of mistake. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Close it, then go to the system tab here. Let's check model, then search your lighting just now. Okay, this is our Philips lighting that we already loaded inside here. Try this, then place on face, then try to place it over here. Okay, so we can't see anything. Maybe it's a setting of the family, just doesn't matter. Go to the view, then just check. Okay, this is our lighting here. Okay, it's hidden. Then pick a new face or work plane. Just pick a plane like this plane here. Okay, will do. Place here. Okay, still cannot see, then go here. Okay, now it looks okay, but however you can't see on the plan view. It doesn't matter, okay, because the setting of the light fittings. Okay, you can try to edit the lighting. Then this is the lighting family we have, and this is the photometry data. Okay, so this is how you download directly from online catalog. Okay, then since it's hidden, you can try to draw a line here, the plan view here, to then load it back inside, then to check whether you can see it from the plan view now. Okay, now we can see the lighting. Okay, because it hide the geometry of the lighting. Of course, you can unhide it in the family setting. Yeah. So the next method, we go into your another lighting supplier website. Then when we go to here, or you simply type the Google search the IES file of the lighting, then you access the TCP lighting website. Then you can try to search the lighting products. Then once you select the lighting products, then allow you to download the IES file. IES file is a photometry data format. Then it's showing the yellow stuff here just now. Yeah, this is the photometry data in the IES file contain the photometry data information for the lighting. Yeah, so come back to here. If your lighting is like this, then you try to check the spec sheet. The spec sheet showing something like this. Okay, then you have your dimension. Then you have no issue to draw your own lighting family. Okay, so this is your catalog here. Let's say I select one type of the lighting, which is 6 inches lighting or 8 inches lighting like this. Okay, so let's try this. A, B, and C, the dimensions like this, DLC 10S. Let me try to search our IES file. So this is the IES file. Then we try to download it. Make sure you download it. Then you keep it in somewhere in your family files. We're going to load it to our family later. Okay. So we come back to here. Just do a simple lighting family. Close toggle. Okay. So go to new family. Then we search anything like a metric lighting fixture. Okay, lighting fixture, and then this is the IES file. Okay, the first step is we go into the front, then we just model a simple revolve. Okay, then by following the dimension of this, so this one 8 inches and 10 inches and 9 inches. Okay, 10 inches is 10 inches is 125. Okay, okay, 125 then we draw it 9 inches. Nine inches is 25.4 times 9. Okay, the height like this. Okay, the shape will be some sort like this one. Then we delete this, remain this one. This is the external part of it. Offset it to maybe about 5 inside. Okay. So complete the rotation like this. Okay. The diffuser, of course, you can go to here to model your diffuser by using a simple extrusion method. Extrude like this. Okay. Then from the front view, okay, this is your extrusion. Okay, this is your diffuser. Okay, don't cover your yellow stuff here. This is the photometry data. If you cover, that means your lighting cannot be distributed out. Okay, so next thing is select this, then you try to assign it as web. Okay, apply. Okay, then the next thing is go to your family types here, then you try to load inside your photometric web file. Click on here, then search your IES file downloaded just now. Okay, this is my IES file downloaded just now. We select here, then we open it. So this is the IES file, then open, apply. Okay, so you can see this is the lighting distribution. Okay, and it's slanted a bit. Then of course you can adjust the angle by clicking it here 90 degrees. Apply. Okay, so it's direct down. Okay, so the 3D view is like this. Okay, then you can load inside to your project. Then just simply click OK. Yes, save it, of course. Just save to the folder you want by like download TCP 10 inches. Okay. Save it, of course. Okay, then you put inside side by side here. Okay, just put here. Then go to the view, and this is the one. So this is your own lighting with your own lighting distribution pattern and your photometry data. Okay, so that's how you create your lighting family. So when you go to the 3D view, you have a look what you have created. Go to the 3D view, then you try to unhide everything. So this is your lighting. Okay, normally the lighting distribution cannot be seen in a normal 3D view. Yeah, so you can close it and then you VG to review everything. You just can see the lighting without the photometry data. Of course, it will, if you open everything, it will keep your project file very heavy in terms of graphical presentation. So it's normally the photometry data will be hidden. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.